So today I'm going to teach you how to do reddering. What does this remind you of? Do you look a bit like salt mackerel?
Yeah.
So this reddering is a little bit wetter than the one I'm used to in Jamaica, but I haven't had reddering for many years. We got this at Billingsgate recently, so obviously the inside is still in there, so get rid of that. This look like the eggs. Come and see. You see these balls? It looks like the eggs. Can you see it, right? Come on, babe. And yeah, that's the eggs. These. If you open a fish and you see this round bally thing, it is definitely the eggs. So yeah, we're gonna get rid of that. The eggs and the intestines. Look at that. Get it all out. Clean it all out. Where's the meat? Rachel is asking, where's the meat? The meat is this. The fish. That's she's saying that there's not much left after you take the intestine out. There's hardly anything left, so she's asking me, where's the meat? So the next thing that you want to do is to take the skin off. Like that. Make sure you don't take the little bit of meat, throw the little bit of meat away with the skin. You need to get the meat off. So one reddering is not much meat, is it? No. And this is popular with, in Jamaica, this is popular with ackee. People like to eat it with ackee. Or they can just cook it up like salt mackerel or saltfish. So skin off, fins off. Yeah. The thing about the reddering is that it has so many bones. It's almost impossible to take them all out. So I'm gonna try doing it from the top here.